rendered building. But I can tell you that we got a few things going on. Let me add another additive dissolve to the end of this, like that. I missed my click, and we'll add it in there like that. All right, so as we come across here, let me just give some commentary. So like as we're coming across and our model fades in, you know, what we've got going on here is like, you know, the shadow on our blue screen was a little bit darker. And that gets a little bit tricky, and I'm sure that you could be more clever with your keying. But what I want to do is get some landscape in there. All right, so as we go along, I think that our landscape is going to help out with this gentleman on the lift there. And then as we get over to the right, you know, again, like this tree, it'd be nice if we had like some Lumion trees to kind of block out and kind of help soften the transition between, you know, our rendered model and the drone footage. All right. And then also on top of that, you know, so we're going to need some landscape.